Hello, I'm Tanya Milan. UniSkin Aesthetics is my company, and I'm also the injector at UniSkin, which involves everything about aesthetic treatments. Aesthetic treatments is actually just a set of principles of how we view beauty and what's important to us and that looks attractive to us. So for every individual, it's really different. It takes two types of people that come to aesthetics. The ones that just want something quick, who knows exactly what they want, they've made up their mind. There's normally just one treatment like lips or their Botox and then off they go. The second type of client takes a longer time to make up their mind, and they're also often unsure, or they want to think about it some more, worried about that it would change their looks, that people would notice, or that they will have botched jobs. Unfortunately, the botched jobs is the ones that we mostly see in the news, and that's what makes newsworthy. So there's many more examples of doing things right. Often it's the person that you think has had a really good haircut, but you can't tell, or it's the person that look like they've been rested or just gone on holiday. But the point is, again, that every individual have things that they want done that's different for them. It might be a combination of treatments or it might be a one-off treatment. It's the right thing to do to look up who is delivering your treatment, what is the experience, what products they are using. And over a period of time, I will be sharing that with you so that you can make an informed decision. Right now, at the moment, I want to explain that at UniSkin, your journey is the most important to me. It must not be rushed. I don't want you to feel that you have to make up your mind, that you have to pay large amounts and that you are wasting my or your time. I don't want you to feel that what you're asking me to do is you're embarrassed about it. It is important for you when you come through the store to feel completely comfortable and explain to me what it is that you'd like to do. After that, we will just do analysis of your skin. We'll look at your skin tone, we'll look at the areas that bothers you, and I'll give you the best informed decision, best information as much as I can, and explain how we would use the products and prepare you also for what to expect. So during this time, you don't need to feel obliged. Please don't feel that you have to take it. Go away and think about it, and then again come back and we go on a journey. I'm quite happy to treat you in small amounts until we've achieved the ultimate result, instead of just going in for it and you might not like it. So at that point, if you don't like anything, it's well within my power or experience about the products that I use to dissolve any of the products apart from your botulinum toxin, which after 3 months goes away in any case. So what I'm trying to say is that we take it slow at UniSkin Aesthetics, as quick as you want, but you don't need to feel that you have to have all the treatments done. So when you are able to afford your next treatment, or when you've realized this is not too bad and you actually want to now go a little bit further and want a little bit more product in a different area, we can do it. Everything is always so rushed, so I really don't want any of your decisions to be rushed. But when you've made up your mind and you come through the door, afterwards I also take care of your aftercare basically. So I do bring you back. I see and make sure that the products and whatever we have done is not changed, it's not formed lumps, that you are truly happy with what has happened for you. And then also that you if there's anything that bothers you, that we can discuss and see how we can fix it. It's very rare. Most people are normally happy, but sometimes you put a filler in and leave some lumps, so we can massage those. Or sometimes you've put in a toxin and you find that your eyebrow is too highly raised, and we can reduce that, minimize that raised eyebrow. So final thing to say, in the unlikely event, if anything should go wrong, I also know how to fix that. So if you have an allergy or a shock or allergic reaction while you're with me, I'm medically trained, so I know how to fix that. If you have a reaction to your treatment months down the line, because it sometimes can happen, I can prescribe antibiotics and steroids for it if I need to. I also, if any of your filler is not in the right position or you don't like it, I can dissolve it. Unlikely events sometimes, although I take every precaution, you can sometimes inject and an area swell up and it can reduce the blood flow. Again, I'm experienced, I'm trained, and I use the right products to know how to dissolve and fix that for you. I do fix a lot of people's botched jobs. It's not something I'm fond of doing because I don't always know what products has been put in there, and I do know that this is the type of thing that can happen. I don't want you to go anywhere else. If this has happened to you, I'd like you to come right back to me so that I can look at it and I can fix it for you if that ever occurs when you're one of my clients. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me or text me. I'm readily available. Okay, take care, bye.